Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take, and go do what you do. If it's first time watching, subscribe. We have plenty more to come for the new year, so we'll just try and make it out of this year. Because after the storm and the hurricane, must be a calm, and must be a reason why we not have to explain reality of life. Watch out now, watch a movie.
Can we get back to Jamaica? The real Jamaica rock. Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica to love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much people swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Either you be a Christian, either you be a thug, either you be a man that are rocking in the club. Just do what you do and do right. Do what you do and do right. And I tell you from the first night, bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth just so swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. You ever see the girl them on the TikTok? Girl them click clap. Beautiful ladies, want beautiful money to beautiful babies. The pressure's too high for us. It's too hard for us. We don't know who to trust. But please just bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Fast car, big bike, big house, acres of land. Our name is way up while you does it in the sand. Lord, I don't understand why so much separation. Bring back the Jamaica that we love.
Come on there, son. Come on there.
Go on, daddy.
You're good, sir.
Yeah, man, you know say, a woman you have to run more of me.
Oh, you have a woman out and I see that.
Yeah, daddy.
We never see her again.
No, sir.
Bring her come, man. Let me pass you there.
She the right up road, that son.
Ah, so go for her and bring her come now.
Alright.
Are your sister? Me come pick up some money to buy some for she because her mother has send down money for her.
Oh,
Buy some for her. I don't know talk about money for her.
yes, sir, you got it.
Yeah, some of them man, go on and forward. Yeah, man.
Daddy.
Nice to meet you. You're good though.
Daddy.
Yeah man. You look are your mother-in-law this? Anyway, nice meeting you anyway. Look like the one on face you though.
Yes, bad daddy. But she don't go listen to her, your father, you know.
Yeah man. So no good though.
You want to go yard walk.
Alright, so I wanna go now. Wanna go for yard?
Yeah, I'll go for yard.
Go and walk, mommy. No, you come on there. Go and walk. You will get your back. Here? You will get your back.
But you don't know what we're
No,
doing.
no walk too far, but go a little further, but not go too far. Come on there. This is one here, I just see as I go and power with that one here.
No, I'm a personal woman this
No,
time.
go. Me talk, man. Go on up. Me don't understand. Go on up, me talk. Me wait for somebody. So you look like you know follow my footsteps.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Yeah, call up you and yeah, my phone kinda I go lock off and because they are 2%, so I'm gonna plug on it and charge and make it get some charge and call them back soon and charge. Yeah. Alright, yeah, love you. Zoe! How long you take up my charger?
See it here.
Girl, give me my charger. How much time tells you that? Don't run the road, go trouble now.
So what when you are taking things out?
Make your father or your mother buy you one charger, or you save your lunch money and buy one charger. Don't trouble my charger again. Don't do that. Who bad man? For me one of things.
But me and little sister, me not a charge, I must have money to charge.
Buy a charger, you don't get money to go to school. Save your lunch money. And buy a, I'm a bigger father buy you one charger. Now come back in my room, man.
How long are you in?
12:40, me away for you from. And I know you're just a reach.
When me reach, me late but me reach.
Anyways, I'll be that call. Because I have one new song. I'm here, but I want you to listen. But you see, because this morning I wash plate, I'm put his phone on the counterpart. And I don't know what I do. And then I put up the plate. I put up the plate them in my cupboard. And my hand go bounce and lick the phone growing I want to see the speaker part.
So hold on, look. So how you are going to mention to me, boy, you want me to finish a song? And your speaker now work?
Girl, because you see, because me did that, the speaker now work, but when you put it like for earpod or something, you will hear it. But then I don't carry earpod come, but then my sister gonna walk and lock up in your room because you have an earpod.
Earpod. You know, say, my brother have one headphone over there. Yeah, me can't go for me to look at my well listen sometimes and sound like it bad.
So I tell about something if you never bad.
Now I'll go for it and come back. No move, you know.
Brother, now you see me turn up from
You see my brother now, my brother not too like when me troubling things, then you know, but I too more listening time, I will go for the headphone. So you can mash up and know how much I cut like a strike. We are palming me soon come back. Lord God. I got to for myself today. I have to go angle this with here right now. Jesus Christ.
You see? That's all I have to take.
If you go and take time walk, because you see, but this so much here, you better kill me. Come hold on for this. Oi, take time and hold it. Take it again.
Yeah, let me take today.
Yes.
So you know, working on this again.
Come like you know, say, hold on, take time. Let it go no, man.
So you're gonna like say a baby.
Take time, I don't really know for this. Come, connect it to your phone. Connect it no, man. Hold on, let me say it. Let me now put it over my head.
Put your ears.
Come. Hold on. Come, go on.
Then you connect.
Alright, you connect it now.
Okay. Put your ears on soon.
Hold on. Yeah. They say, hey. I'm bad to them in again. Bad. Let me have to start teeth, my brother, something. I'm not going to know that one name. Where's her name? My brother.
Sorry, I did so.
You friend me there or something?
How will you get that headphone?
My friend headphone. You know, sister, she have it.
Hey, me I say.
Oh, because you may have one just like that, you know. You're sure?
No, man, I don't feel this one.
Yes,
My father travels him by Yankee Kong.
So why you touch up the girl things like that? Remember you don't like when people touch your things then?
No, you're right. But I tap my top card so me see it and you know me have one. You don't know from one?
Yeah, man, you know feel one.
Oh. So anyways, daddy done a yard?
No, so you see when my dad left out the yard, in the Ghana walk.
Oh. On the road me I go still, you know, so if rain come, I have some clothes for the way over there. Take them up for me.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Alright, later.
No mash it up. You know. Me disconnect him. Come disconnect him. Me go put down a yard.
I'll put up your back. Remember for the circle back I say no? And if you don't see it, come back my way.
I have to see girl and body road man things that for me for me. So my sister can fold up my clothes them. Just throw them down so for the bed. Sis, give thanks to take up clothes and off fire wire for me, you see?
Yes.
And sorry for you deal with us up on the road, both head from Cambridge. Back home, I realize I never feel me.
Right.
So alright though?
Yes.
You eat something? Please. I'm going to have something, now come. The headphone where you have what here? I know my sister bring it come here for you.
Yeah, because I did have one song to make sure this about because she phone did up in the water. So, but I never mean you have there. He uses
Hey!
our
Why should I tell me so? I pick up the first time. You know something earphone mash up? No, work! You know how much money we pay for it?
But I don't mean you become because your sister.
You don't see her for there?
No.
I'm going to listen to music front of me headphone and I'll be here. Me I hear and be all of this, all of that. Nah, work. Like when I'll drop you or something.
I must say sister drop it because we didn't have it in my drop. I must drop it when she's not carry over or something.
Alright, yeah, go on. Thanks to tell me, you see?
Watch it. You know, say you need a for you and anytime I see you come down here and this time I come down here and look for you.
Oh.
So,
And you know, so I just see your brother a while ago too.
where?
He walk gone down so. He got asking about the headphone girl.
You're not telling him, say me.
Brother, I didn't after him and a bad me up. So I must have it.
You're informer.
I'm not inform my brother, but if you hear your brother bad me, bro, I have to tell you. He
You
tell me about how he sitting and walk.
Jesus Christ.
You know in Jappy.
Japwa.
You
Are
I-
you mash up phone do it?
Oh.
Your old broke speaker where you have in your phone do it.
But I never mean send up earphone and you say, you want to listen to
You see
music?
anything when me go back up a yard? I go buy back, you know.
And me a
Because
buy
your
back.
phone all, you know.
I know me a buy back.
So how the phone be connected?
And my phone is connected, yes, but me make sure say, me tell you say don't drop
Until
it.
where you grab the headphone for me too.
Me never grab it from you, you should be in my hand.
Me never show it. Me say take it nicely. You said and grab it.
Me never grab. Me say, no, I'm not going to go business. You better go on the pay and go make sure say your brother no reach out there before you.
Jesus Christ. You never do know. I go tell you say.
So you say how much when you are to do a post or something, you go bounce off it or you go drop and you go mash up.
And you tell him say me lend you hit.
Yeah, bro, but you can't tell lie.
But you inform already say me lend you hit. Next time not ask me back for nothing. Do. Not ask me back for nothing.
Me never ask you for nothing. Me tell you
One.
say call this some music and you tell me about and me make that headphone here. You say,
Go on.
go buy back your brother.
Oh, camera, nobody have turn on. Come here. Where do you think you can do? And where do you think you go?
Up my yard, me I go.
Where you going to my house to take out my headphone for?
Me?
No, me.
Christ, are you ready to tell
Come
like
on,
for me
carry
now?
with that money by phone today. Where you going to my house to take out my headphone for go give your friend? And now my headphone mashed up in our room.
Me?
No, me.
Me never go in a prayer room go take out no headphone. So anybody tell you that I'm
We see your friend a while ago and she finally speak the truth. Say, are you bring a headphone come give her. What you do that for? You go look, Zoe, you go look for your bigger brother and tell me say you don't do it when a friend don't tell me say you do it.
Alright, yes, me take out the headphone. I can't want bad music come out, you know. I'm gonna listen it, but you see my friend here have all piece of speaker and I one day. And he couldn't hear 3 speakers, so I just copy headphone.
The
But me care back headphone, make deal with it with care.
the bad music the way you did listen to go call someone bad piece of money come on want back my headphone and you have to go buy back and you ask your father for money to buy me back. You know how much money me pay for?
No?
You see you look like on road. You see you look like on road.
I could tell that.
What you think your father can do when me tell him say you disobey, you're not here. You feel here, that boy in my room. Go take out my things them. Go on open the yard. Go open the yard. Come up.
Hello. Your brother or your big brother, right? I don't want you going in the room and troubling things. I don't know it's so hard to hear in. I am going to take care of her, you know. Anything I tell her, if you not touch, you touch. I'm going to get the same thing. Your brother having things them when you work hard and buy. So you mash up in headphone one day, me have to buy it back.
I never me.
Did you trouble it out of the house? Yes, you take it out because you look a friend tell me say you take it out of your house. Right? So you must be more considerate, man. When you have your things them, and me get 10 more people and then come and trouble your things, you will see the difference.
I will pop their hand.
And you see,
Hello. Good day.
go on inside. You don't move there, because I have to talk to you faster. You see, when I see I son I come with such a big woman. You could have been my woman. The age you're depend. Because you know look like you want to pick me, you know. My youth, if you breed some young girl and now and I'm bringing some grand pick me to take up my foot. Right? When you have a big woman like you don't want no pick me. You only use him. You understand? And like say, you're rich. You're not rich. So we could look past you take some of your money and go use to buy some surrogate. Surrogate, I don't know the word, but you know what I mean. We buy some young girl for breed for him, then make it no matter how them come. But the them need to come. So if you plan to give him some pitney, me not think so.
Me tired of you talking now. You cannot choose for your son.
Me not choose him.
And you can't tell me who me fit there with neither. Me tell you know what?
Listen now, be just considerate, man. I raise a youth.
I don't want to consider no old you. I don't want to consider no you at all. Rasta man,
in there one night, the young girl, you know, me don't know how you get the young girl out of here, you know. And fit in yourself, you know.
What kind of Rasta man you be? You just up in me and your son business.
Me not understand it. Me not understand it.
Babe, which part of it?
Oh, that God.
You run in your room? See no hear your father out there so I disrespect me.
Me not disrespect you, you know. Me not disrespect you.
Yeah, hear me in the background.
Me say me not disrespecting
change
you.
him out.
Me like
Yeah,
tell you say
tell
you
me.
look a bit too older.
Him can't tell me who me for the like
No,
the
me no
age
say,
group.
me
And
no
that he mean. They tell me about you too young. Where are they?
Me no say you
Alright,
can't
knock up,
give
knock
him
up.
a little piece,
You're
you know.
alright, you know.
But no
if me
blacking.
If me did come there with you wouldn't find no fault.
Me no find no fault.
Yeah, but me no want
Me
there
no
with
find
you.
no
You is
fault.
a Rasta man, he's a ballad.
Why? Me don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Yeah, me don't understand. Still don't understand what really are going.
Hey, what?
Me can't take to your father talking them, you know. I can't go like he want to choose to you, you know. You don't know something older than you when you just meet me.
So you must know. Be warehouse. You go talk to me, you know.
Why go on now, son?
When you see a woman from making was any younger than her.
No, that man. Me show you something. I tell you, you know. So if you get the younger girl then, because what you know? Oh, you gonna get youth from a big woman like that. She don't have her picking already. She don't want no. She says she want picking.
Daddy, you don't need to know that. Daddy, be wise up now, Daddy.
No,
what you
but-
do with them a young girl?
No. Me want you turn up and down in the yard. If you keep her but you still have to go bring some picking out there, right? Some different young girl out there.
Daddy, me realize that every woman we bring coming in a yard, you have a problem.
You ever go on? Me not pick for you, you know. Me not pick for you. You look a sister. Can't be the one to carry the youth them coming in the yard, you know. Me I get old and I want some grand pick in the yard there, you know. You understand? Because for raise, you know, me done with the getting some girl pregnant. But you see, if I don't do it, I'm going to put on back my shoes and go back out in the road and start get bail her. Pin your barn up here and I get two young girls and make them start breed up here then, you know. Because I think you have to start do it now, you know. When me a few age, you know. I gone 5, pitting already, you know. You know, see them and most of them they are foreign, their brother and sister them are foreign. When me young like you, me get them one day, I want to come afterwards.
Daddy, me understand, but them a young girl and me can't take them a stress. Better me have a big woman in my life.
Alright then. Keep that big woman if you want, but you still have to try to get one young girl who can breed out the road then. Me go mind if the pitney if you can't take care of the pitney, but me I tell you, we need some grand pitney in the yard. Alright, go and do what you do. Because I don't have time for that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, she don't look bad boy, you know. She don't look bad. But me I say she can't breed. You know. Jeff, you know you go? Alright.
Daddy.
Alright. Oh. Good. You learn, you know? Yeah. I like how you do it now. But even now, before you go check your friend, wash up the plate then. When I come back after I want to cook. But one thing I like how you learn. Every morning you da mix up bam, down to your friend, no brush your teeth or nothing. But now you start brush your teeth, but no more you learn to get up in the morning, do something in the yard. Either you wash the plate or rake the yard. Your brother rake the yard already for morning, so you know so that's out of the way. I would get up early and rake the yard because the yard is easier to rake than wash the plate. But you know, you say it, so your brother get up every morning and rake the yard, so I can't tell if you do two of them. You understand? So what you go on now? I am gonna make him set the water for you. Right? And you wash up the plate them. We have a new pack of fab in the house. So you take it out, you bust one little beanie, old panny and drizzle out some outside. And I don't want you to keep it outside for the neighbor come back with none of the fab. And time to see have big old things them a come back. Alright? Alright. I'll tell your brother. Oh boy, I have to go. Yeah, not look so bad still, but we'll try. Tibe!
Yes, Daddy.
Forward there. I see you do one look raking, not too bad. When you see them slippers there,
Yes,
we go want you dash them from the front of the yard. You don't have to do it now.
Alright.
But what more I deal with first, we go make your sister wash the plate then this morning. We can't make she grow so we can't at all. So, we want you to full some water. Make she get to wash the plate them because the pan them heavy. You understand? We don't want child services pass and she carry one big old heavy something and you know all the system go already. So just pull the water for you up at the plate stand and make she wash some plate. Alright?
Daddy.
Wait on, before I left, I have to ensure so it's can wash out properly because I know say when our kids when we just dash water in night and make it turn the same way much. When you sick and I have to carry like that, although you're a big boy, big man carrying girl still, but you know where you go, you live here. Choose my water and this. Come pull up that as a rinsing one. She know about the fab, them I tell her about the fab, just full up here, put some water, in that.
Alright.
Alright, put down after. Alright.
Yeah.
Zoe!
So, Zoe, what do you think the big pack of fab for?
Because I'm boring one little and it tear big.
Jesus Christ. You don't know, say Daddy we cuss.
I want to do it now. Why the bag tear so? I not have to tear one little part off of the bag.
It takes time to tear but it tear big.
Ah, boy. If you have sense, so they grew up.
I make you never wash the plate.
Who wash plate? I see me wake up here this morning.
It's not to look like the place I wash good enough. I'm sure it's something to wash the plate them, man. You have to scrub the plate them, you know. I don't want you to deal with them light.
At the half time I show him, look how much years now or months now I show her wash
But
plate.
you see when it's small and I don't want to do it, I don't do it good. And I so come, there's the parents them do it to me. So as that you do, as style you put for me,
No, that.
you better make sure, you know, how watch out. You have to rub the food them out tight. I want to eat the food, I want to put in a water. See it there. Make sure the plate then clean.
Daddy, I'm telling you when you eat out time plate to wash it.
Listen, I share the team deal with the yard and you deal with the plate. them.
Yeah.
Soon you have to deal with the cooking, because you're a woman, you have to learn how to cook.
Learn to cook for real. Cook food. And
Alright.
wash plate. Remember to wash your plate them good enough.
$500.
But there are
Oh, I'll take TikTok today, have conquered come.
You know, see me wash up my dirty plate then.
So we have few paper. Your brother not in the yard.
You sweep it out so me have to wash the plate there. Anyways, when we don't wash the plate, then we come up the corner.
Alright. But don't take long enough, because last time you take long. That's why your brother earphone did mash up. Because it take too long.
And you are informer one. One, I make me wash my plate then good and don't hurry me. I wash up my plate then. You wash your plate then for a morning?
Long time.
Done.
You know, girl, you know, you have me telling me, say, somebody tells me you're looking for a girl like me.
Yeah, but me don't know whole of it. You know, it's tough part, right? So you're ready, you pick that one. Come. Fine. Me not know internet, so I feel those swing. Put it so back in my mouth. Ready. So look at that camera. Ready. Go. So.
Someone told me that you...
I know me have to look for, bro. In the camera you have to look. Ready.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know.
Stop laughing, look.
No, bro, but I another part there is on it, you know?
Go on. Ready.
Someone
Wait.
told me-
Yo, where you gonna start?
Everybody
Ready now, ready.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me.
Come on. Get you back. Come back.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me.
Come now. You ever there see people far? You don't
Come
block
here.
his eye. Come again. Ready. Become a man.
So good.
This is singing song.
Alright. Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me. I don't want that.
How are you going?
Man, no, I look one to TikTok.
want TikTok.
No, make me spoil the fun. Sing on and sing.
What's this song, don't I?
No, sing it back. Me name there if you hear it. Sing it back. Sing back the song.
What thing is it, don't I? You want to see it?
No, me no want to see no video. Sing back the song.
You ready?
I don't know what I call.
No, you don't see anyway, back over
Go on.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me.
The bad part, no, the daddy.
You're looking for a girl like me.
Hello. Come down in the yard. Can you text and lick you down? You know, come down in the yard. You see? I'm going to cut off a friendship with you and I. Because you know, if you sing say Jesus love is bubbling over and Jesus up on the telephone.
But we
Tell him
passed the stage
you
there.
can't pass the stage there. You're still there at the little stage. Why you have to say pass the stage there? So you have the things already?
No,
You're out the road.
no.
You're a big woman. You pay bills. Eh? She I go to school and you go to school. You no pass the stage there.
But we're in a high school.
We no matter which you see they in a school same way. So you go learn how to live. You ever know, you say pass them stage there. Watch out. Hold the phone.
But sir, for me, phone.
Yeah, me know sir for your phone, but tell your mother to come and take it from me. Because
My mother not there here.
me no ma anyone of your auntie or anybody send them come for the phone because what I do, somebody need to know.
But sir, you don't like if somebody big gun pass and take off your daughter phone.
Yes, as long as she do the wrong thing, take away the phone and me can know what I do, what she do. We go look for the phone and then we go judge you.
Alright.
Tell the auntie me come lick me. And then I get out that aunt. Yo, I'll tell you something, you know. I promise you, I'm tell you, say, once you reach certain age, you're not going to beat you. But you get out of hand. Check up this a while ago now, the great man that you get out of it. But me I start then. You reach the age of Jamaican reason. You see, certain content is not for you. You better you sing the song, the RUSEPECT or respect. That one there.
Auntie!
Pardon?
Money.
You alright, baby?
No, me not feel alright. You remember my friend and me, we want girl when they live up the road. Then at the outer road and our father come take up my phone.
Take away your phone?
Yes.
Why you take away your phone for?
I that me want know too. Just because I talk about how me influencing that in somebody way. And me I tell him say I just want video me and the girl I make.
Hold on, what kind of video you and the girl did I make?
One TikTok.
So you take her phone too?
No, cause she never carry phone and me, my phone she die.
So hold on, tell me something. I him buy your phone?
I that me want know too.
Nah, even put it down properly. Come. Me want know mine, you know? You never did a rank with him?
No.
Alright, me want know this.
I'll be great, man, to get to out this, you know, but it's true, I promise you. Seminar lick your career at a certain age. I go put on the rod, but still not spoil the child. I go teach you something. There's a big people things you don't need to deny it. No more want a little girl I tell her about to sing certain song. If you teach her to sing Jesus on the telephone, tell her what you need. Jesus love is bubbling over. Good old Emmanuel Road, Blackstone, them cultural something there. You know what I mean? I know thief, Sammy thief, make them kill him. You know them type of something there. Roll, Jordan, roll. Certain song on the phone, no. Right? So, not give a pass on that, but next time, you go be judgment. You see, you couldn't even wash the plate them. Me have to help wash the plate them. Them see if you study. Yeah. Regardless of what, you bust out all the fab bag. And you know say that a waitress. It's easy for that show now. I tell you for the stew and look up part of it. But anyway, warn me, I warn you. Where your brother there?
If you not run a room, you in the road.
Anyway, there are some things to deal with now. Later.
Alright.
I up this yard him live?
Yeah.
Mine, you know. Before me go to him, make sure you tell me the truth.
But my auntie, when I like you,
What you did do and what you said to him.
me and that did there and make the TikTok video in come and talk about how me influence in that and about me. I try him say I want TikTok video me and I make. When I don't go down in the yard and say, tell me auntie, uncle, brother or sister so if you come for the phone. Because if me have if me accidents in the phone in one contact to somebody big senior so because that's why me run phone down there for
Make sure the truth, you know.
truth.
Anyhow we find out Santa so you go. Me and your backside. Come. Hello. And him?
No, I ain't son.
Hello, good day. Your father the boat?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Your father take my niece's phone.
My father?
Yes.
My father?
Is his father? Make sure you
Yes.
get it right, you know.
My father take... Daddy!
Come on,
Daddy! Yo! Some people come out at here.
Blessed.
this man?
Yo, you see that my time, yeah? I'm my favorite show me I watch, you know. So I don't like the disturbance. But
You're watching from my niece's phone?
No, I'm a TV in the man, no right man.
Say-
But, hear me say now. She is a ringleader. She come in my yard, take my daughter out of the yard and road, so and I wind up song them and sing round there and I go and say so I take out the phone from her because I want somebody, some guardian swear she a go on with. You understand me ground for me daughter and can't go nowhere. I give one 70 hours so you can't left out of the yard. Because I don't like the
So what
tell the auntie the song where you sing say.
The song, I don't know about no.
Sing the song.
The song said, don't someone tell me where you're looking for a girl like me. That's what the song said.
Yeah, man say somebody a look for one girl like she and she a ball out. Ball out or you a ball out?
I never mean that about your daughter.
So who tell her to ball out or you
I
tell
did
her?
part I did the song, but
So,
we couldn't
oh,
find
what?
the audio.
a slack song them the
Slack song.
The song
Ball
no
out.
slap.
You don't know them the song the auntie?
But here
You're
what?
Christian, me go church, me don't know nothing about them song. Come in at the middle, cause you love talk and me want know the truth.
So someone somebody know what kind of influence she have for my daughter. Take my daughter out of the yard and have my corner sing about who I look for girl like
That,
she.
you have a video in your phone?
If
The
we
video
get
in
in the phone.
Sure, you're sitting there because be a wine up and jiggle up.
Me know how many stand in a rasta.
See it, auntie, see it. See that video here. Look how she have one.
How old you be again?
He's saying done with
Okay.
he's done with certain things. He's saying done in past certain age already. Because I talk to her, he said, me done with them things. I'm not sing no Christian song, no Jesus fan on telephone and where. Me pass them age already. So I say, it's a bad influence. Because you're still a child, or you're going to tell me say you're done with child things and a big things you want to take up. So I say somebody big have to come. So now they come sing it back in your phone now. But take your phone from him if you and monitor your phone when having a phone card. A problem.
Oh, auntie.
But take her from one phone, she don't have no phone again, Because what they do on the phone is too much.
True, auntie.
So-
My father was a respectable man, You know, and just take nobody's phone just so.
Yeah, man. Some more you see, looking at your phone, monitoring phone, getting password, and monitoring things because he will shame you.
You gotta talk to our parents and me, I gotta deal with you. But Rasta, thank you for telling me.
Yeah, man.
But one thing, you have to watch your daughter too, cause them act like angel in front of
So
them
that me I
parents.
tell you, if you want to know angel, me know. Them are rolling this one here. The two of them are.
So because she are rolling me, she's an angel.
The two of them are angel, because two of them are listen, song on listen. You not sing Jesus on the telephone. You not say tell him what you need. You not sing the one there, Jesus love is a bubbling over. Hallelujah. I don't hear none of them song there.
But man, want
But man, I look for girl like
Me
you.
never did say nobody want
Shut up! I am a Christian and you sing them the song.
Mhm.
I should have me come up there.
She's a good girl, she growing in
No,
the
but a
church,
Christian before you-
She baptized and everything in the church, This one is a
What? See my back and see right in front of me face. But anyway.
I chew me know what. Thank you, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, young
Alright,
man.
alright,
No
alright.
worry, now go happen again. Move! Move!
Hello, bossy. Tomorrow? Alright, then I'll come. You may come and work tomorrow, man, but my name plan. Alright. Yeah.
Mommy, you said no school not keep tomorrow.
No school not keep tomorrow?
Can you come and work with you?
I can't come and work, But I'm going to figure out something when I go down. I call a grandfather and ask me if he can keep you. Because I can't go. I'm not paying right now. Yeah?
Yeah.
But if you didn't know the school not keep. Come.
But remember, sir, something will be a figure. We do that.
Hello.
Daddy?
Want to go on my daughter?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, you know.
You say something maybe do for me though?
I want that now.
When my daughter now go to school tomorrow and the daycare where you know she always go, in now open tomorrow, so I beg you do me a favor and come stay there for me. Favor at least I'm on 3 hours.
Alright. You know, so I'm a granddaughter, I'm not let her down. Alright, so I will come in the morning. Where is it? 3 hours? I'm not going to
Me not do much tomorrow, but me have to go in though.
fear 3 hours some time at 6 and 7, you know.
Daddy, me not stay long as me said before. I just something I go finish up and come back.
Alright, no worry yourself. A morning we will link you.
Alright, then remember you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Hope you come in the kind of time I come and you come away.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
You're hungry? You never ask if you're hungry, then say you're hungry. Anyway, they want to eat.
Macaroni and cheese and chicken.
I said so Tino. Okay, no one eat nothing sensible. Anyways, me I go look for some of you eat, so me soon come.
Okay.
Come here. My grandfather gonna stay there, you know, and me not want to give no trouble. You hear me?
Yes.
Make sure you know, cause me know you stay. Don't give no trouble. Ma keep it till me come back from work. Alright, me soon come look for some of you eat. Yeah, baby? Alright.
I'm going to go out them inside.
Alright, mama, do that.
Hello. Rasta, over here, so I want to talk to you.
Yeah, you know, sir, I want to see if I talk to you too.
What?
Sit down yourself, cause you come for a good time.
So when you see me dirty one, I give me the clean one.
Don't worry yourself, man. So I clean
Alright.
things to you, sit down,
I
pan.
don't like how me...
Yeah, me miss. Me say so have clean things to you, sit down, pan. In a house clean. But differently from that,
Oh, what is that? What is that?
me realize, say, you
Me not like when me not like how my mother and your son there. So if I go fix it, that me come to talk.
No, I said thing me I say since them a do what they want to do. Me feel say me have to do what we want to do then.
No man, we are going to pretend. Me no want
We can actually pretend, and if we work out like we do it for real, we work. No, because so many times when I do it real, it's more effective. Come on, you understand?
But
More
we
than
want the real things.
them are the real things, you know. I hear your mama around there, you know.
Me don't even
So,
hear it.
oh.
So we are going to pretend and hear what they have to say.
And then if them still continue with the real things, make them because we real. Yeah,
Alright, but what do the fake things
first. Alright, no, you want to take it, we do it.
So,
we do it, yeah,
come.
because we know young people love fake things. You shake panny.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you look good though. If you're a young girl, you carry yourself good.
You're supposed to look good. Look very young and fresh.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Stepdaughter.
Listen, no man.
No, I'm your stepmother.
Listen. Yes. She gonna be a stepmother for no one.
But daddy, she too young.
No, she's not too young. She's the same age like you. And your woman and me is the same age. So it's okay.
So nothing wrong. My stepson, go to the house and get me a cup of water.
And the one your back answer, you know, more you have respect to her.
Come, go to the house and get me a cup of water. Hurry up. Chop chop. Walk up my stepson. Hurry up.
Where your sister there?
Me don't know, daddy.
You have to give her the news too, you know, because she's
No,
proud.
me a stepdaughter too?
You have a stepdaughter
Oh,
too.
what's your name?
Ask your son.
What's your name?
Zoe.
Oh, Zoe. Call Zoe for me like my son draws and wash.
Well, listen me. If you don't want him, burn them up in can wash, you know. She not to wash, I mean wash your.
Oh God. Hey, I be a joke, me I give you something.
Yeah, good. No, you go nice, man. You say me and you go nice. You go nice.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, my mother-in-law this?
Yes, meet your son-in-law.
Yes.
You talk. When I do over
No, little woman alone.
Yeah,
What you do?
Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son.
Thank you, son.
And she stepson.
Where you get tonight? Which water? You have sense.
Why you
That's
laugh?
why I feel
Mommy,
okay.
they no must.
Alright, we may say no.
Me don't walk if you go for water.
Hello.
Come on, my
Alright.
stepson, get me the water.
Alright, go on inside. Go on inside. Go on
Step with
outside.
oh, hello.
Go on in my room. Listen, no man,
Why
why you
you see your
interrupt?
mommy?
Where they go with me daughter in the house?
Is she a child?
No.
Right.
But she young.
Yes.
And you
my
too
son
old.
young too.
You too old.
But since, what you know? Me tell him already, you know, no grandpity now come.
Hello, you can't
No
deal with my
more
daughter. She
people.
too young for you.
Who?
You cannot deal with my daughter.
You
Hello?
can't deal with his son too young for your mommy.
God, take a
Hello?
dick in your damn blast
Hello?
today, you idiot.
You want know? You remember the last time?
How big man you want to take? Eh? Eh? If you're feisty with me over there, me take this and slam off your head up there, so.
Hello, what you know?
You know, you
I'm
think
so
a little
tender. Yo,
wine, fix carry come here.
you do
You
a
want
good
come
job.
and take
You do a good
big
job.
man than your size, girl.
No, you do a good job. No, listen now. Young girl stretch to fit. And old lady fit to stretch. You must work out.
Okay.
So take a time go in.
So you mean you say I go there with so what kind of family from mix up.
No,
see?
mix up.
Me done there with his son already. When they go with the pooper.
Go in.
In a bed.
You there?
Go fix up yourself. I soon forward. Listen, no man. We all can live in peace, you know. It can be a big yard, you know.
Daddy,
You see when I run, shh, listen now. I'm here around the yard, you know. You see when I run, so I do your thing. And you see you gone 10.
You're alright doing no baby. I can't go grandfather, I know this shit.
Yeah.
Hello?
Daddy?
Yeah, what
Really?
go on? The on the road I come down, I'm near to you right now, man.
Hurry up because the time I get late and me have to go to work.
Alright, now forward, man.
Hurry up.
Mama, the funny painting me just finished.
Alright, the grandfather's in here, so.
Yeah, the funny painting me just finished.
You look nice, so continue here, continue. Don't.
Maybe some more crayon.
No, come back. Daddy?
Yeah.
May I come? Look here, baby.
Yeah, what go on, man? How many days alright to feel somebody a while ago forward, man?
Oh.
Where my granddaughter then? You want know, today, you know? Oh, where are you? Yeah, color.
Daddy, me get you so.
Alright, do it, see your bag here. Let your bag.
Alright.
Alright, remember, our plan coming up.
Me said 3 hours, me not.
3 hours. She name
No,
already?
she not eat it.
When you go on yam? I'm going to cook him.
Things on them, man.
Oh, you have the things that when you go eat?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Go get where you go eat when you're ready to eat. Here? Yes, today you're like a big somebody. So you good though?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm there with you today. Alright. My daughter go and live in a wall house. Me live in a little pop down something. Oh boy. Me too.
Baby, your grandfather.
Hello.
He's happy.
Alright, action.
What baby your grandfather then?
Yeah, go.
So we had the water.
Yeah, I come when I come out.
You're not telling my mate already?
But tell me down, take a little break.
Alright.
I'll find it.
You tired?
No. Look what I was about to color. I'm not finished though.
Really?
Yeah, you want to help me?
I know I'm tired, I'm being asleep.
Okay.
Yeah man, I tell you.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Come back, I'm tired.
Anyway. Now I come move up on the way now. You're good though.
You cook?
Me don't look for something for she. I want to think I want to my yard. Come and tell her what I want to my yard.
Alright, now come. Now come here, baby.
Oh, come here, I tell you. I tell you, say, yo, be things are going up my yard. You see me not coming from our day, a whole heap of things are going up there. See your brother now. Why Evelyn, me see him in town. He must show me saying I have one new girlfriend when he want to show me. When he look, I want big woman. big woman all like me. Right? Or maybe all on me. So, the day make you go on and run for a while. You understand? But me talk to them vex. Soon after that now, the mother now carry one young daughter come to them now. The young daughter see me like her, you know want it, the young daughter no want the mother there with the look with me look son. Come and say my son look like a fear age group. So one brother mix up now, so she now come link me say she want spite her mother, so she want me and her feeling things and this and that. Me not for do. You know how me woman them everybody gone. Body they are far, the body their life and me want single soldier. So we just out there, we just do it. But me I tell her, be a mix up. Be a mix up.
Wait.
For your sister does a look, because them a look on the two away. Two couple in the house.
When by two couple, Daddy, you
Two,
know, make
no,
sense.
because you know.
Oh, you be there with a young. Me not understand you.
Listen now. I was young when I time to, you know.
Yeah, you was young one at the time, yes. But
Yeah.
the little girl young enough to be your daughter.
No, she couldn't be that because I never know her mother. At the first, me I meet her mother now. She know well young, you know. She older than you. But for your brother, look like him no want no pick me. So I take up a big woman when no want no pick me. Right? Alright.
Yes, so nice same thing. Me can't, me not understand you know.
But anyway,
this life.
you have to go talk to him.
For your pick now you can't talk to him. Me I can't talk to him.
Yeah, you talk to him more. Because you have the same mother and same father. Though you name him malice off and no deal for years. But when I did them, when I start chat back. Anyway, me I come go up here now because feel look.
Just make sure you know yeah, because that way you act like this you keep up. Because I don't like
No
that.
man, everything good. Don't worry about it man. None of your business. Me just show you how own jet. Yeah? Everything good. Later my granddaughter.
Alright.
Bonito. Welcome. One. One day I was it off, you know.
Cancel one question.
Yeah.
Then not just to my daughter.
Me don't think about prayer yard today. Me not see her from what she gone home, gone deal some stuff.
If she not there, I hear you. She's supposed to be in.
Yes.
See her, you know.
Me not see her from when. What my son there? Cause me tell you things that I link me from when. Cause he saying God, the last time he saying I go by your yard. But she
my
don't.
yard?
Yeah.
You know, say, good while now, I don't see him. But maybe few days ago. Maybe about 3-4 days ago.
At the said time, me not see for your daughter same way
But me I
too.
believe say your son dey up a year yard because 2 years keep up one hip argument the other day.
No,
Talk about
the
these
thing-
2 old for your son and one
The
hip
thing
a
say
foolish.
your daughter up for your yard right now because me not see her from when.
No. Me I look for her from when. Me see all her friend them and they ask them for her and them say they don't know which one she did. That means they look like me have to go to police station to
No
report
look
this.
good man.
No.
Cause me not see my son from where they for real you know.
So it was them just gone so listen.
One
I
day.
don't understand. All for your son can't find and my daughter can't find.
Me a wonder, yo, you see that the place and I run good, you know. I wonder if then kidnap the two of them same time.
No, not say that, not say that. Not
We
say
have
that.
to go down a station and report it. Can't pass 24 hours.
No, it's not that.
We have to go report it.
No, maybe.
You come in, me now get
I
it.
want them if your son phone dead and remember say line them down now.
Me a try call the daughter, no me can't get her phone neither. So I see you now, our message somebody that gave tell her say you have to come link me. Because you tell me what's that going? No man, you know what? I have to go make a check out. I have to go report. I have to go report this. This is serious. I don't see my son from what day for real. But I say she up me up for your yard. I don't see your daughter, that's my woman. I don't see her from when me that me say she everybody fit that for your yard, I think everybody that my yard.
Seriously, Rasta, where do with my daughter? Can I notice that through me there with your son? You will spite me, you know. Rasta, if you kidnap my daughter, I go down and
kidnap a daughter? No, I'm kidnap a daughter.
Yeah, my daughter,
I
fear you the last year she come and do I last somebody see her supposed to know it for
but my son then, no? You are talking about when my son then?
No, the way you are talking
about one day if you kidnap my son?
No, me not kidnap your son. Maybe you have your son up in your yard because you don't want me to deal with your son.
Alright, so you say no, no? So maybe your daughter up in your yard, you don't want me to deal with her. One day if you take out your daughter and hide the daughter, I want later now. Come here look for her, I can't see her.
Come make a joke thing in the pan. They repeat, we rewind and they say what we may say.
But here what? Here what go on now? Me have your number, me go call you. Because I want to see my son and I want to see your daughter, see him where too. Here what? This is serious. Because me not sleep tonight, you know. I'm circle someplace. Because me need to know what I want.
I look for from when I know. Not even one phone call.
I'm going to knock on some bush side. I'm going to make you know what I want. Yeah? I'm going to make you know what I want.
I wonder if that man know which part my daughter then they can't tell me about him don't know. And hide his son from me me think say Red. You know, you come go down on station. Do you think you can trick me?
So I'm going to knock. As they come in, you know?
Come in.
You know, Simon, should we call them? Say something about my daughter, I tell you, right now, a big problem. We are searching your brother for about 3 days now and can't see him, right? And yesterday, in the night, I see the big woman, I tell her in the way. I see her and she tell me, say, she thinks, say, you understand, my son up a yard. Because I don't see her the what they need that. And I don't see my son. I don't see my woman need that.
You call him?
I call him and I get their phone, man. So, I don't know if I don't see him coming.
Report it because this no sound safe.
I tell you, I don't know why in there. I don't get him phone for them, man. You chat to him, you call him?
I don't hear from him from when.
So, my granddaughter there.
She don't there sleep.
Oh boy, I tell you. So I'm in the circle, some of the ends of my family now, so in that chill out, check my version them.
When I see him.
When I see him, where you for them, man? Now get on the phone them. You see?
Some of the time when some of it be done, so I have to just report it happen. I were serious and no, can't even do this.
I tell you right now. No, some different. So I search my phone. And I try to see if my woman would text me. Try to see if I get him on your phone.
Should you answer me?
Send him one voice message or something, man. Maybe answer, you never can tell. Why not answer me? Really funny, just tell him say we are check for him.
Yo, bro. Are we the man? Just when I listen to the voice note, I just give a call because we are check for you, we can't hear from you, we can't see you and I report that they have reported. So better you just make we know see you alright. Then when they saw it and I know we are gone. Just hurry up and message me back or even call me. If you don't want to call me, call your father, make him know see you good.
Yeah man, I want them things, man. I put me block myself and come. Go back anytime and now still. You think me have go up on black for all the vibes? You know what I mean?
I just go sleep.
I can't go more than soccer right now. What is that? See that? Tell them bro a story about it.
Daddy. Yeah, me there Panama, me and Kayla right now, you know. And me not think we are come back to Jamaica, you know. So you just keep the big man we have done there and me keep Kayla over here. Me don't tell her already so me not come back to Jamaica, Panama, me there. You feel a joke me I make? Keep the big man at your size, that your age group. Me I keep Kayla my size, my age group.
I was saying done in Jamaica. And so they are worried about him inside that Panama. Alright. Let me see. Well, no man, you not stress me out man, but me there know some little girl gone. Me little girl gone now. Anyway. Me will talk. Tomorrow me link you.
Alright, yeah. You never sleep.
Long me wait for this man.
Yo, what you want now?
Oh, wait take so long.
You are going now. We just figure out everything. As somebody send me the footage, look here. I told them that a Panama. I feel that are my son, you know.
So hold on there. So hold on. Your son
You see
are they with my daughter? They gone for vacation in Panama.
Panama, then they see sign in the background there. As somebody
Backside.
send me it and tell me so you're over there. So when they look for them and I say somebody kidnap them and I think the worst.
I can't believe say Kayla do this to me. Kayla really gone.
Take away your man. Take away your man.
Take away me man.
And gone.
And
On
gone.
vacation.
On vacation in Panama.
So my son take away my woman. Gone for vacation. Which I go over there go beat them. But
No man, they chat. Guess what? We should have known before.
I
But remember say you know.
But me never see someone
You did
coming.
tell me, say.
But me never see the sign of that.
No, we not
Because
gonna see
them
that
go on like they hate each other. Me
We
don't
never
know
see
how
it
that
coming.
work out. Me
No,
not
listen,
understand.
You have to understand, you know. Maybe Kayla take you for one sugar daddy and your son.
I want the sugar bunks off
Take
and her,
me.
you know.
Your
Take
son take me for the sugar mommy.
Most.
And most so fast, they must have some plan. Because they never used to agree and look like then they under quiet and we don't know. See, they gone from vacation, but we are going to do 2 young people. You know what? You just have to go give up on your son and just leave him alone. Because I want my daughter to be comfortable and I don't want to break her heart. Just so make it act like I said that you will know about it and just leave her.
Well, I know me not believe when me see. Me never see it myself and somebody tell me. But that's a lie them I tell.
No,
But when me see it, me hear them on the phone, I tell iPhone, me I say no, really, this a youth are dangerous.
Kind of feel how you're still enough because I'm not telling a lie, no. Me love your son, but still, you know. Big woman and big man thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us, say, you know, man. Me treat your son good, you know. Your son deal with the case proper, you know.
Alright,
He can handle it, you know.
Alright,
I young youth, but he bad like
I said,
years.
yeah, I said to myself,
Now
how your
one day for
daughter,
you in take off.
me don't know how your daughter skills so. She go on like she in the go-go club, like a yo-yo. Me no know, but anyway.
Yes, no bother with that because me I think
Anyway.
something right, you know.
Anyway.
You know, feel so what Japan fight Japan shoulder. What do you think about it away? Because if them can't do that, you know, we can't do it.
Alright, when them come bite and then come back, we must get ready for marriage.
Alright.
So we are going to think about that. Come on, me take you out for dinner then.
Alright.
And we chat about it.
Alright.
Yeah man, burn it down to the ground man, is it? Yeah man, live and living color. We just had a banana tree, you know. Yeah, nothing in life is so free, really. So we there try to survive it though. So give thanks for no watch I move it to the end. Plenty more to come. And time will come. So I put on wait on my face that means that things have changed. Alright. Yeah. Move to bigger things. Anyway, I look at JAMMIWOOD there. One little puss. Yeah man, and when animal them they did that. You know what I mean? Glory be to the most I give thanks to life burn down to the ground. Respect everybody out in the world. I watch the movie thing from that time till this time. We are work for the best. I work for the best, even if I try to go less. You know what I mean? But we have some things in the pipeline coming. So stay tuned. We always say that. And always do it and always stay tuned. So give thanks to that, you know what I mean? We don't know so with the back on the app, man. I'm going to put in some work. So tell a friend, tell a friend. Enough people see me in the street and I say, fire, what go on? We're not seeing no new movie from when? Yeah man, we're there up on JAMMIWOOD that go and put in some work. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Forward through, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's go. Does it squeeze on?
Look here.
You know what you done for you?
Up here.
Oh, why not?
Look that in there.
Over there by the
No.
$200.
you can get that squeeze on though.
Yeah, but then give me strap mark.
Where's the squeeze in your hand though?
Yeah. You can do that.
Wait. I got you. If you rub up, you go squeeze your hand. You feel better now? Or not?
No.
You want to take off?
Ouch.
It's very tight on your hand. Now put it for your hand though.
Me take it off and put it in back.
Alright, that's you. When you go here, to get one different string put on it. Oh, say put on it. I say put on it. No say put on it?
Yeah.
You put on the wrong way, man. That's you double it up. You don't feel free now. Talk the truth. You feel better now, right?
Yeah.
Because you double it a while ago, that's why it stays so. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, you go over.
Wow.
So you're good though. You ready?
Yeah.
You enjoy yourself today though? You want to do it again? Or not Jamaica Day again?
Because Jamaica Day already come up.
So you know when the next one will come then. You love Jamaica Day?
Again.